Hey everybody, I'm back. Just kidding. It's Saturday and I'm hungry, but it is hot. Plus, right here in California, they have us on a flex alert because the temperatures are going to be so high for the next several days. So that means no appliances, no AC unless it's an emergency, but AC is always an emergency, right? Can I get a witness? So what I'm going to be doing today is making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Quick, easy, and simple. Okay, so we're gonna obviously need the basic ingredients to make our PBJ. You gotta have crunchy. If you haven't tried this bread, and this is not sponsored by the way, if you haven't tried this bread, you need to try it. I've been eating it for several years now, and it is my go-to. Nature's own butter bread. All right, check this out. 2 pieces of bread. So you're gonna take some peanut butter and you're gonna just spread it. This is how simple it is. You're gonna spread it all over that piece of bread. Now watch this. Before you get into your strawberry, take your knife that had the peanut butter on it, and on your clean piece of bread, just wipe that peanut butter off. Now for our strawberry. Let me show you a little secret. Take your knife, right there on that surface, you just stir that up till it's nice and soft and becomes much, much easier to spread. Spread that all over that second piece of bread. I'm telling you, this is so simple. Check this out. Bam. Look at that. All right, now that we've got our sandwich, time to enjoy. That's a monster, by the way. Thank you for stopping by today. Hope to see you next time.